Hello guys, it's me GERALDTHEGREAT and welcome to this awesome add-on showcase. So in this video, you're probably wondering why am I underwater? Cause it's a good day to swim. Cause yeah, it's a really good day to swim and dolphins are here to swim with me. Wait, what the heck? Okay. I think I'm a good swimmer. And by the way, okay, I'm just gonna swim here. Okay, probably wondering, guys, I'm back, right? Right? Cause my back because I have school. I'll be uploading videos like in a week, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yeah, and until the end of school year, I think. If there is a holiday, I'll make videos, of course. So yeah, let's get on this video, and I'm going to test all these mobs here, of course, with me. So yeah, let's test this. Okay, let's first test this. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, first, and then I will test the piranha first. Really, let's test out this awesome piranha. So, what the? Oh my, what the heck? Wait. I spawn here and let's put an armor so I will not get one shot, or I'm just gonna be up. I'm gonna do this one, and then game mode. Okay, let's do this game mode. Yes. Okay, attack me. Okay, no one will attack me. We did attack me. Hey. Crap, what's that? Wait. I thought they were what the? Hey, what? Am I hurting? What the crap? Get away with it! Get away! My goodness, I'm not good. I'm just gonna die another day. Okay, alright. Okay. That's how it goes. So, wow. Well, and it's raining. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and this is a really crappy video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching.